So I'm here at the massive building behind Regulator that this entire building is used to not only store but also repair the molds after every single use. So generally in the fiberglass industry, every mold can be used anywhere from 5 to 20 times before it goes in for inspection and repairs. At Regulator, every single boat, every single time, every single mold gets looked at, and any repairs that need to be done are all done in this building, all stored indoors throughout every season until they need them. And then everything that you see out front here is just drying in the sun, but will go back away in this building tonight, and none of your boat parts at all, other than the T-top metal that comes in on a truck, will ever sit outside. So we're still in the mold maintenance building, this separate room here. What's going on in here, Keith?
So this big area here is where all that hand work is going to be done to make sure our molds are perfect. Here's the interesting thing about this here, Leah. There's 5 people that work in here, and there's over 100 years of experience between the 5 of them here taking care of these molds. So we want our molds to come out perfect. So then we spray that gel in there, everything is absolutely perfect. So you'll find a very experienced team in here, and all they're doing right now today, it looks like they're working on, those are all forward boxes, fish boxes, and some of the other boxes that are being taken care of. Even the grillage down here, we're going to regularly do the grillage to keep it in nice, good shape. I was in here yesterday. There was a hole in here and a liner in here. So they're going to go through all these every time. Normally in the industry, people get 4 to 20 times they'll turn that boat, that mold before they do anything to it. We're going to do it every time. So some of them is simply just cleaning the thing, and some of them is repairing something that happened. But the key is here, there's a lot of experience in this room.